Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will explain how to configure MAC address filtering. First, we open the Winbox. In here, we do the configuration wireless. Before we do the configuration default authentication. First, we check the interface with the command interface, print, command, enter. And here we can see the VLAN 1 is status is X, and we enable the VLAN 1 first. With the command interface, enable VLAN 1, enter, and we check with the command interface print, and here we can see the flag X is gone. After that, we do the configuration security profile with the command interface, wireless, security profiles, add name, profile 1, add name, profile 1, mode, dynamic case, authentication types, WPA PSK and WPA2 PSK, unique achievers, ISCCM, TKIP, group chippers, ISCCM, TKIP, WPA, pre-shared case is SMK, TKJ, PKL, and WPA2 pre-shared key is SMK, TKJ, PKL. Enter, and we check with the command interface, wireless, security profiles, print, enter, and here we can see the security profile with name profile 1 is already successfully. After that, we do the configure. After that, we set the VLAN 1 with the command interface, wireless, set, VLAN 1, mode, AP bridge, band, 2 GHz, BG, and SSID, AP, SMK. Security profiles, profile 1, enter, and we check with the command interface, wireless, print, enter, and here we can see the VLAN 1 is active but not running. After that, we add the IP address with the command IP address at address 24.24.24.1/24 interface VLAN 1, enter, and we check with the command IP address print, enter, and here we can see the IP address is already successfully we create. After that, we do the configuration DHCP server setup with the command IP DHCP server setup, enter, in here VLAN 1, enter, 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 and here 8.8.8.8, enter, for lifetime is 10 minutes, enter, and we check with the command IP DHCP server print, enter, and here we can see the DHCP server is already successfully, but status is I or invalid. Next, we connect the handphone and we check again, and here we can see the status is not A anymore. After that, we check the DHCP server list print with the command IP DHCP server list print, and here we can see the handphone is connect to the IP SMK. Next, we do the configuration default authenticate. But before is we make a new terminal. First, we make sure if we have configured the wireless before. Check with the command interface wireless print, enter, and here we can see the status is R or running. Then we check the registration table with the function to see the MAC address client that have been connect the access point. Using the command interface wireless registration table print, enter, and here we can see that two client connect to the AP. This is a MAC address handphone and this is MAC address laptop. After that, we add the MAC address of the laptop to the access list to limit the client that can connect to the AP. Only regress the MAC address can connect. We add the mobile MAC address using the command interface wireless access list add MAC address is 1C (77) I6 AB 69 CD. Enter, and we check with the command interface. Wireless access list print, enter, and here we can see the access list is already successfully. Next, we configure the default authentication on VLAN 1 using the command interface wireless print, enter, and here we can see the default authentication is yes, but we gonna change to no with the command interface wireless set VLAN 1 default authentication is no, enter, and we check again, and here we can see the default authentication is no. After that, we check the registration table select using the interface wireless registration table print, enter, and here we can see that just one client can connect the AP. We try to connect laptop with the AP pilih SMK. And here we can see the laptop can connect to this network. It means that we successfully do the configuration default authentication. After that, we do the configuration default forward. First, we check the interface with the command interface wireless print. Before I have been configured the wireless, and here we can see the status is R or running. Then we check the registration table which function. After that, we check the registration table which function to see the MAC address client that have been connect the access point using the command interface wireless registration table print. And here we can see that there are two clients connect to the AP, and this is the MAC address handphone and this is the MAC address laptop. After that, we check the DHCP server list which find out what IP the client gets. Enter the command IP DHCP server list print. Enter. And here we can see the IP address is 24.24.24.254 is the handphone, and 24.24.24.253 is laptop. After that, we ping CMD, click Windows R, and we do the ping IP address of the cell phone with the command ping 24.24.24.254. Enter. After that, we ping CMD by typing Windows R CMD. We do the ping the IP address of the cell phone which is ping 24.24.254. Enter. And we can see the ping is successfully. After that, we do the default forwarding configuration on VLAN 1. After that, we ping CMD by typing Windows R CMD. We ping the IP address of the cell phone with the command ping 24.24.24.254. Enter. And we can see the ping is successfully. After that, we check the interface print with the command interface wireless print. And here we can see the default forwarding is yes, but in here we gonna change to no with the command interface wireless set VLAN 1 default forwarding no. Enter. And we check again, and here we can see the default forwarding is no. After that, we do the ping. After that, we open the CMD again. We do the ping to the IP cell phone again And here we can see the ping is destination house and reachable. It's mean that we success the client cannot forward the traffic on other client, but the client to the router can still be connect. We check with the ping 24.24.24.1, enter, and here we can see the ping is successfully. After that, we and the router is also still connect to the old client. We ping the laptop with the command ping 24.24.24.253, enter, and we ping to the IP cell phone 2 with the command ping 24.24.24.254, enter, and we can see the ping is already successfully. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.